I spent years warning that the oils were uninvestable. Now I love them. Was I wrong to call them uninvestable? I don't think so. Before the bottom in 2020, this group spent years in the doghouse. Of course, there's no longer the case. From the perspective of a money manager, there's no shame in flip-flopping. Call me crazy, but when the facts change, I change my mind. I want to make money. So what changed with the oil companies? When the price of crude was much lower, I warned you away from the group because historically oil producers had very little discipline. Whenever oil ticked up in price, they'd drill like crazy, even if it meant flooding the market with supply and weakening their profits. The whole industry was also loathed by a generation of money managers who viewed the oils like big tobacco because of the devastation they caused the environment. Over the last couple of years, though, the oil business has a whole new attitude. When it comes to the environment, they're actually bending over backwards to reduce their carbon emissions. Yesterday, ExxonMobil, which is one of the worst offenders, laid out a credible plan to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions. This after a small firm won a proxy fight to put some genuine environmentalists on the board of directors. Chevron's committed to spending $10 billion to develop less carbon-intensive fuels and processes. Original plan was only $3 billion, but CEO Mike Wirth decided not enough. More importantly, though, both the majors and the independents have backed away from that drill, baby, drill mentality. Rather than spending a fortune to flood the market with new supply every time the oil prices go up, they've become more cautious. Independents like Devon, the Pioneer, like Diamondback, are now committed to rewarding their shareholders with these generous variable dividends. They no longer spend beyond their means.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.